What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every week. Today's video is brought to you by our channel sponsor, Exado, the social marketplace built for car, truck, and bike lovers to buy, sell, and bid on rides and parts. Launching August 1st. Join the waitlist at the first link in our description.
Am I recording? That's who we're filing a complaint against. What an idiot officer.
Hey boss, got a quick question. Do you think it's acceptable to go straight in a turn-only lane?
You know, that was my mistake. I had an EMS call. I had to get over to this.
Brother, do you know how many times almost, like, I'm not ragging on you, but if somebody else did that, you'd pull them over?
No,
you guys should be at a higher standard, dude. Come on.
No, that's my fault. I'm sorry about that. You good?
Hello, how's it going?
Hey, the reason I stopped you is you need to use your turn signal, make a left turn. I don't see any red reflectors on the rear of the wing.
Oh, what was that? So, I didn't use
turn signal,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't see any red reflectors on the rear of the bike.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, I did forget to use my turn signal. Oh, and the reflectors are missing, huh? Okay.
Can I see your license?
Yeah. This is actually my friend's bike that I'm riding. I was just going on for a ride about it. But yeah, the bike should be registered and stuff. The plate is on and everything.
Ah, yeah. Oh god, Neil dropped it. Hey folks, how you all doing? Look who's back. The RKF Rider. Like, subscribe, comment. We've just been chatting. 2 months it's been, literally to the day, since he was last out with me. Mission completed. His battery is really dead. I fully charged my jump starter I only left it on his battery for about 30 seconds and it's nearly drained it. I've just told him for next hour, like, just don't put his grips on. We're back together. Happy days. Where's all the blue sky gone? Seriously? Gonna stop off at Shell. One needs fuel, only on one bar. There's probably, oh, does anybody want a Christmas tree in a shopping trolley? It's probably about 5 litres in it. That's a weird bin. It's actually, I know it sounds crazy saying it because it's a cold day as it anyways, but now that cloud rolled in, feels a little bit better. Still putting my visor down though. Ah, I forgot to open my chin vent. Ladinora, I opened my head once. Oh, it feels good for Sanjay to be out on his 6-year kif. That'll be me and you, telling you. We'll just be meeting up, go to pub though. That's one of the skinniest ones I've ever seen, that. I bet it folds up and goes in your boot. Oh well, it's mad that. I believe John's bought a Duke, hasn't he?
Which John?
From your place.
Oh yeah.
Happy it is.
I think 4 grand for it.
Bloody hell.
It's not got heated seats or nothing, not 40 mirrors.
Really?
Yeah.
What an idiot. What year is it?
61.
Bloody hell. Oh, it's an early one then, isn't it?
Oh, mine was 61. Mine had heated seats, the first time I had 40 mirrors and everything.
Nah. That guy works at this place. He's got himself a Duke. With no toys in it. I can't believe how cold it is. Oh, it's funny. Them of them grids I always go on about, the bloody murder. And the rear tyre on this bike is just dreadful. I know I keep going on about it, folks. God, that smelled like fireworks then. Get some. I'm not stopping at that Shell. Weird. And half at time when you go up, half at pumps aren't working.
I don't know if that's a cop behind me or not. It definitely could be. And I'm breaking the speed limit. But I mean, I'm just cruising with this Land Rover, so. Let's go, baby! Max out that speedo! Woo! 100! That was a big bump. I didn't want to bust my nuts. Thank you. Oh, brother. I thought that was a cop. God damn it. Of course. How's it going, officer? Yes, sir. Give me just a second. It's in my jacket.
I'm sorry, I can hear you, buddy.
Oh, it's just in my jacket here. And then my registration's in the back here.
Pick up the camera.
YouTube, what is up? It is your boy. Say it with me, say it with me, say it with me, say it with me, say it with me. Hold up, my car moving. Wait a minute. Jaden! Back with another video, y'all. We are back. We are back. What is up, y'all? You guys already know what the move is today. I think that we are, I'm pretty sure it's Ruin. Today's Thursday. It might be Ruin and BP. Nonetheless, it's gonna be a W video, man. If you guys like the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, you know, help your boy out, cause, you know, this gas, I'm broke. All right, y'all, we are back. We're at the same place as before. They're changing spots right now, so we're all gonna go to a different place. Apparently, the Office Depot landlord is tripping. Bro, you work at Office Depot. Let me stop. Let me not hate. Huh?
I can get that thing.
You can get me?
How much horsepower I got?
How much?
380.
Really?
Yes, it's a hybrid.
She said, "Do you love me?" I told her only partly. I only love my bed.
Yo, notice how like all the cars just came out of nowhere, bro?
I know, bro.
So what?
Is that Gwinnett County over there? We get shut down. Turn around.
What the f? Yo.
Thumbnail.
Boy, out. That he wants to see you. Oh. I seen it, bro.
Hey!
What's up?
Get away from it! Don't touch it! Jesus!
What's my man?
I walk up to you and say, don't go anywhere. That means don't go anywhere. It's that simple.
hanging off your back. Dragging it.
Damn. Hold on, let me get my thumbnail real quick. Let me get the thumbnail? Let's get the thumbnail.
What's going on, officer? Yeah, I'm riding with him, so.
But what I'll do is, I had you around 45 before you got on it. But look, I'm not going to get you for a record shot. I'm going to have to write it. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, this is the mayor right here. Yeah, we seniors.
Oh, you're the mayor?
Yeah, he the mayor.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Freddie. Yeah.
If you guys keep doing that shit through town, we're gonna start pulling everybody over. Check your zone.
Man, we come out here
check
in
everything else.
I don't run through town. We come out here out in the country. We try to stay out of the haters.
Who just fucking let her up and going through
Yeah,
town?
what's this here? Yeah, he wasn't.
I'm just telling you.
Yeah, but I'm
tired of it.
I'm just telling you, I don't go through town, man. I get out here in the country to stay out of the haters.
Care.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and write him. I'm gonna go ahead and write him.
Give him a warning, Ray.
Okay, all right.
Let him know. I mean, all right, guys.
This the boss guy. Okay, then.
I mean,
y'all owe him a thank you.
I catch hell.
Yeah.
So I gotta pass it along.
Okay, so this one give him a warning.
But you know,
okay.
just don't go crazy, okay?
I appreciate it. Thank you guys.
Thank you for being
Have a good day.
Yeah, I hear you, man. You have a good one.
All right.
I took the day off and decided to come out.
And that would look. I appreciate how y'all pulled over. Y'all didn't try to run.
I looked back and I was like, oh man.
Oh yeah. So I was gonna.
I usually see you there, so I ain't trying to give you
Oh
problems.
yeah. Well,
so
y'all know because y'all see me down there all the time.
Yeah.
Well, all right then.
I try to be respectful as I can.
I appreciate that.
Like I told him, I try to come out here in the country
Right,
and
let's have a
not come
nice
through
time.
town.
Well, if I need backup, I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna get your muscles. I'm gonna get your muscles.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
You have a good one, sir.
Okay, y'all have a blessed day.
You too.
Yes, sir. You take care.
Y'all be careful. Look, I ain't gonna tell y'all, watch out for them other people. They crazy. They'll run you over. You gotta watch out for the other people.
Yeah.
I mean, look, I love having my motorcycle out, but man, people crazy anymore. So y'all be careful.
No, yeah,
Y'all
I
nice.
understand.
Y'all so new.
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop. And if you want to rep the moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.